today first module will be completed.
No, it is not completed. It's 40% will be completed, 40 to 50%. Okay.
Okay.
we we have a friction part also in that, so we will be starting friction from the coming week. And what I will be doing, I will be completing friction, and then I will be taking a small test, online test for you, MCQ based, so that so that I will be able to understand that how much you are getting in solving the numericals. Okay, so now I am sharing this slide so that you can see what we are discussing today. The screen is now visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you able to see my handwritten notes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the, you can see first when probably when we in the campus, then I used to give these notes to my students, but now we are giving the notes online based. You can say books also. We are also giving the slides, and these are the very beneficial for you. They are basic of mechanics first of all. Then some parts, you can say, we have already discussed force system, then the relation of force, how we have to do, then equilibrium, then principle of transmissibility of forces. After that, free body diagram in a very simple way. And please mute your mic. Students, please mute your mic. Now see here, this numerical we have discussed yesterday. And can you able to solve this numerical? It's a very simple numerical. Weight of 1000 Newton is supported by two chains here, you can see, and determine the tension using the Lami's theorem and resolution of force. Can you able to solve it fast?
Yes, sir.
Do it fast, and we will do some numericals on spheres. See, this weight 1000 newtons hang by the these two chains AE and BE. It's a very simple numerical, and this is the wall here AB, and angle is 30 degree and 60 degree. You simply have to calculate the forces in the, or you can say tension in the two cables AE and BE. First you have to use Lami's theorem, then you have to use resolution of force. So try to solve it fast and tell me what is the answer you're getting. So anybody is finding difficulty in solving this numerical?
Sir, what do we have to do? I just don't now.
See, you have to use Lami's theorem and you have to use resolution of force. At the point E, you can see three forces are coming. So take point E and then resolve the force. I can show the solution, but try to first solve it by yourself. At point E, take FAE and FEB, two forces, and third is 1000 Newton, and see this angle, what is this angle is making. And then apply Lami's theorem.
Sir,
Yeah.
may I tell the answer?
Tell me the answer.
TA is 500 and TB is 866, I guess.
Yes, sir.
We can check.
866.
Yeah, 866 and
Yes, sir.
500. Okay. So every student is getting, from the both methods you have to solve Lami's theorem and resolution of force. You have to use both the methods. Don't use only one, okay? First use Lami's theorem and then use resolution of force. So should we proceed to next numerical?
Sir, just one second.
Okay. Complete it and we will proceed to next numerical. From both the methods, you should get the same answer.
Yes, sir. Getting
So
same.
what's the answer?
You see here, answer is T1 is 500 and T2 is 866.
Yes.
So now you can see the solution also. If anybody is finding difficulty, then that student can see the solution. Very simple. We have just draw a imaginary vertical line here, and then this angle is 60. Automatically, this is 90. This one is 30, and similarly, this is 90. So this left is 60. Then at point E, draw the Lami's theorem here. T1, T2, and this 1000 Newton, and make the angles.
Next class बाकी ऐसे तो mechanics, physics goal.
Okay. So should we proceed now to next problem? Students, please mute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please mute your mic so that we can discuss it properly. So now the next numerical, see here. This is the next numerical we have to do. Two spheres having weight of 6000 Newton and 3000 Newton are placed on a smooth inclined plane. Till now we have discussed the numerical only based on the one sphere. Now we are discussing the numerical for the two spheres. Two spheres having weight 6000 Newton and 3000 Newton are placed on a smooth inclined plane. These are the two inclined planes. One inclined plane and the second inclined plane. Both inclined planes are smooth, means there is no friction involved. Connected by a rod of negligible weight. This is the rod and these are the two spheres. Because of this rod, these two spheres are in equilibrium, means these two spheres are not coming down. Okay, because of this rod, these two spheres are in equilibrium, and rod is at their center. So find the force F. You have to calculate the force F such that this force holds the system in equilibrium. So here the force F is applied on the sphere B. This is the sphere B, sorry, B, and this is the sphere A. So on this sphere B, we have applied a force F. Due to this force F, what is happening? The sphere A and sphere B, and along with the this rod, these two spheres are in equilibrium. So what you have to do? You have to find the force F such that this force holds the system in equilibrium. So can students, can you able to do it, or can I help you in doing it?
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, we
Yeah.
can try.
Sir, the force F is applied on sphere B at an angle of 75 degree.
Yes, 75 degree to the vertical.
Okay, sir.
So can you able to do it, or should I help you?
Sir, let us try once.
Okay. So what are the steps you have to follow? Just let us discuss the steps only. Step number 1. See, when we have more than one sphere, that here is two spheres. So you have to make the free body diagram of the both spheres separately. So are you getting my point? You have to make the free body diagram of both the spheres separately so that you can find what are different forces acting on the both spheres, and then see if there are three forces, apply Lami's theorem. If there is less than three forces or more than three forces, apply the relation of force. So first of all, try yourself. If you're not able to do it, then I will help you. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
This force F is with the vertical 75 degree or with the horizontal?
Vertical, vertical.
Okay, sir.
I will give you some time so that you can try. Otherwise, I will help you out how to solve it. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Yeah,
on first
tell.
sphere, sir, on first sphere, there will be three forces.
Yes, on the first sphere, 3 forces are there, and for this sphere B, 4 forces are there.
So, sir, on the first sphere, what will be the value for tension?
You have to calculate it.
Sir, then reaction will also take place, na, at normal
Yes.
to that surface.
See, yes, reaction will also takes place at the point C.
Sir, then that is also unknown value, na, reaction.
Listen, you have a second sphere also. Tension is common for both the spheres. Okay,
Okay, sir.
tension is common for
So,
both
sir,
the
we have
spheres.
to give the F force in terms of T.
No, no, no. You have to calculate the value of T and then put the value of T. Then you will get the value of F.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. I will be explaining you the solution later on, but first try to solve it by yourself. So I am now sharing you the FBD of both the beams, both the spheres. Then you can see whether you are at right track or wrong track. Okay. You can see the FBD separately what I have make here and cross check it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, please resolve the tension force in sphere A.
Tension force.
Please resolve it in the components.
I will do it, but I am just first of all making the FBD part. I am not resolving it right now. That is the next step, na? So I will come to next step later on. Okay. This is the FBD of sphere A and this is the FBD of sphere B. So the other 4 forces here in the sphere B and the 3 forces in the sphere A. So it is clear to you. See, for the sphere A, at the point C, again we have we can see here this is RC, and I have not drawn it completely because I have already discussed in the last class with you. This you have to show it. Okay, this you have to show it. This is the other surfaces here, and here it is, there is no surface because this is tension part here, and there this is the surface here 90 degree here. So this is angle 75, this left is 15 degree. So similarly here the surface is like that, angle is 90 degree, this is 45, so remaining is 45. So for this sphere A, so I am making the diagram here, what the student was asking. RC, I have extended it 15 degree. Tension, I have extended it here. Angle is 20 degree. And the weight here is WA. This is the resolution diagram. Okay, for sphere A. For sphere A. See, this is the point here. Let us say this point is C1. So this point here is C1. So here only 3 forces are there. So we have just simply extended the forces here. The tension T. See, this is very important here. When this is the rod here, due to which the 2 forces are in contact, rod is figure is like that. Na? This is the figure like that. So tension forces will be like that. This is tension. So tension of this will be on this, and tension of this will be on this. So when you are making the ABD, so we will take the tension of this on this. So this is like that. And when we making the ABD of this sphere B, the tension of sphere A on the sphere B will be in the direction like that. So angle is 20 degree. So we have compiled the resolution of diagram of the sphere A like that. Similarly, we will make the resolution diagram of the sphere B. Can you able to make it for the sphere B? It is very
Sir,
simple.
please tell the answer for A.
I am telling you, wait. Let other students also have to do, then I will tell you, okay? If we make the ABD of the sphere B, it will be like that.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, in the diagram of resolution of forces of sphere A, the tension force will be TB then?
In both the cases, tension is same. TA and not TA, now TB, it's same tension because there is no friction involved. When there is no friction involved, tension in both the both the spheres will be same.
Okay, sir.
T will be same. Okay. For both spheres. Not TA or TB because there is no friction involved. That's why T will be same. Remember this thing. So this is the ABD for this sphere B. You can make a note of it. This is 20 degree. This is T. This is weight which is acting downward, WB. And this is RD here. Angle is 45 degree. So this is the resolution diagram. Sphere B. Fine. This is for the sphere A and this is for the sphere B. If you have any difficulty in this diagram, then let me know. Then otherwise I will share with you the answers.
Sir, why is the angle?
Sir, you haven't made a 75-degree vertical component in resolution diagram of B.
I have made it.
Sir, that only.
See, this is the force F. This is with the vertical. I have made it with the horizontal here. Now I have just shifted it. Getting my point or not? I have just see here. Once again, I am explaining you. Just see here. What happened here? It was here like that. Okay, 75 degree. What I have done? I have just shifted it here. F angle is 15 degree. When the vertical is 75 with horizontal, it will be how much? 15 degree. I have just shifted it. It was here. I just extended it to the next point. See here, this here I have extended it. It's supposed to be F here. You can take it F here, but I have extended it here and the vertical it is making 75. Okay, so with the horizontal, how much it will make? It will make 15 degrees.
15.
Okay, it's clear now. Now see, in the first the sphere A, we have 3 forces. You can directly apply Lami's theorem. And for the sphere B, we have how many forces? 4 forces: T, F, W, B, and R, D. So we have to apply here the resolution of force. So I can make it in the next slide here. For the sphere A, simply apply Lamy theorem. Fine. For sphere B, apply resolution of force. Okay. So when we apply Lamy's theorem here, so what we will be getting here? So see here, T upon sine of 105 should be equal to RC upon sine of 110 should be equal to W1 upon sine of 145. So from here, W1, or you can say WA. So tension we will be getting here 10104.353. How many of you are getting this tension?
So,
Yes, sir. I also
Yes,
get
sir.
this.
Yes, sir.
yes,
Very good.
same.
And
Yes.
after that, for this spot resolution sphere of B, apply the resolution of force, then you will be getting these values. I am writing here for you. The RC will be how much? This will be 10038.167 Newton. RD you will be getting here. Sorry, I have just reversed it. This is RD and this is RC. Okay.
RC is 978.
RC is not, yes, just 9829.82.
9829.
Yeah.
82.
And the force you are getting is 2481. This is the value that you are required to find out.
0.41 in tension, 10104.241.
241. Okay, no problem. It can be taken into consideration. So this is your final answer. F is equal to 2481.33. So get this value. Once you get the value, then we will proceed to the next problem.
Sir, please show FPD for second sphere.
Any issues you can ask.
Sir, I
Sir,
got
I'm having
F as
an issue.
248.
How much you are getting?
Sir, I got 248.13.
I think you have mistakenly taken some
Oh, yeah.
difference
I
from
forgot
previous.
one thing.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
It has to be 2481. Okay.
Sir, I
So,
took 600 and
Sir,
300 Newton.
yeah.
Sir, with the B sphere,
Yeah.
I'm just getting 2 equations with 3 variables.
Yes, sir, same here.
You have to put the value of one. You can say RC or RD. You have to put
Tension.
one value in the second equation. Okay. I have the solution with me, but I
Okay,
will not
sir.
show you the solution. I will give you the solution later on. Okay. If you are finding difficulty, I will show you the solution later on.
Okay, so we just put one value, either we just put T in the equation.
Yeah, put the T in the equation and then eliminate it, and then you will get some other value.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. If still you are not getting the answer, then I can show you the solution in the MS stream. Okay. So that you can compare where you are getting difficulty, because this is total mathematics. Only you need to know how you have to get the FBD equation, or FBD first of all, then you have to find the equations in the proper manner. Equation should be right, and after that only the mathematics part is left. Fine. So should we proceed to the next problem? It is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we will proceed to the next problem now. Just a minute. So this is the solution part. So you can take a solution later on. This problem we will discuss later on. This problem I will give it to you to solve. This also I will give it to you. Coming to this problem now. Read this problem. Three spheres ABC having diameter 500, 500 and 800 mm are placed in a trough. So this is a trough here. Okay, this is a trough shaped structure. In this, three spheres are kept with smooth side walls. Smooth side walls means there is no friction involved, and the float center to center distance of the sphere A and B. So this is the sphere A and this is sphere B. Center to center distance between the two spheres is 600 mm, and the weight of spheres ABC, sphere A, sphere B and sphere B, C, weights are 4 kilonewton, 4 kilonewton and 8 kilonewton. So determine the reaction at PQRS. So can you able to do this problem, or should I help? First of all, tell me, have you understand this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Should I
Yes,
explain
sir.
it? Should I explain it or not?
Sir, we
Yes,
can.
sir.
We can try.
Yes, sir. Let us once try.
Yeah. So again, you have to do what? You have to take the first try to take all these spheres combinedly, see the forces what are acting on the three spheres, and then take the spheres separately, and then see whether Lami's can be applied or resolution of force can be applied. Angle here is 75 degree. Okay.
Sir, where?
Sir,
The
angle is 75 degree.
this is 75, not 70. Okay, this is 75, not 70. Just make a small correction here. This is 75. Rest are the same.
Sir, does the diameter even matter?
Of course it matters. You just make the figure first of all, then you will realize diameter is also required.
Okay.
That's why I'm not showing you solution, so that you can use your mind. Otherwise, you will just see the solution. So I will make the ABD of three spheres, okay, so that you can cross check it.
So can you please show the question again?
Yeah, wait. I am just making first of all the ABD, then I will show it. I am also making the angles here for you. So before showing the question, these are the combined FBD. So this is clear to you. First of all, see this.
Yes, sir.
Any issues in that?
Yes,
You can ask me. See, for this sphere A, because this sphere is grounded on the horizontal floor, so two directions will be there. One RQ and weight acting downward. So both will be perpendicular. RQ upward, WA downward. No issues in that. Again RP, because the point of contact is P, so angle here is 15 degree left. It was here 75 to 15 is here. So two spheres are in contact with this sphere C. This is sphere A and this is sphere B. Okay. So these two are in contact, so these two impart one and other to and fro reaction on each other because of Newton's third law of motion. Similarly here, sphere B and sphere C also impart two reactions here, RBC here, one and two fro on each other. And for the sphere C, because this sphere is in the air, not only a contact of these two spheres, so only two reactions and one weight will be acting downward. There is no other reaction. So similarly for the sphere B here, this is in contact to the surface here, so that will be RR and weight will be WB, and again RS here because it is in contact with inclined plane, so RS will be this and 25 degree, and this is the combined sphere. So now can you able to make the ABD of the three spheres separately? Here you have four forces. Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
Yeah.
can you draw the separate cut? Can you
Okay.
draw the
Sir,
FBD for
please draw the separate for middle one.
सर जब हम FBD बनाएंगे तो उसमें RAC का एंगल क्या शो करेंगे, मतलब जब हम दिखाएंगे?
Yes, sir. Same question. What should be the angle of RAC?
Yeah, that's why you know earlier one student was asking me what is the role of diameter here.
Geometry.
That's why yes, geometries you have to see here. See, this is the
15
geometry
degree.
here. Listen, see here. This is the geometry I am making here. See it very carefully. What I have taken here, let us say this point is C1, this point is C2, and this point is C3. So what is the distance of these two? Can you tell anyone? Anyone can tell me?
600.
600. Okay. And what is the distance of this part?
Both
radius of A and radius of C. So how much it is? 400 plus 250, that is 650 mm. Okay. So if these three spheres are identical, having the same weight, so what will happen here? This will be the symmetry
C1
part.
and C2 angle will be same.
Yeah, this is symmetry, so angles will be same also. So now you can calculate it. Let us say this angle is alpha, this angle also is alpha. So this angle is alpha, okay? This angle is alpha. So how you will calculate here? Cos alpha is how much? Based upon
6
upon hypotenuse. Okay, so this will be how much? Alpha 62.5 degree. Alpha you will get like that. Okay.
So,
Yeah.
so I didn't get the how come 650 is that size? CA, C3.
Listen once again. C1 to C3 is that it is the diameter of or radius of the two spheres, sphere A and sphere C. See the figure. Once again I can show you.
Yes, sir, but the radius of sphere A and sphere C is 250.
What is sphere C? Sphere C is 400. See the question. Have you seen the question? Sphere 3 spheres A, B, C. This is the sphere C, this is the sphere A, and this is the sphere B. So sphere A and B are 500 and sphere C is 800. I am showing the question again. See the question.
Yes, sir.
I am showing the question. See here. It is clear now. 500, 500 and 800 mm. Okay. A is 500, C diameter is 800 and C is 500.
Yes, sir, got
Sorry,
it.
B is 500. So see here, this is how we have made. We have made the diagram of this part only. This is 650. This is how much? This is 250 and this is how much? 400. So 400 plus 250 is 650. Okay. And then cos alpha we have taken is 62.5. Now you can proceed. Now you can proceed to get the answer.
Okay, sir, understood.
Yeah. Now tell me the values what you are getting. RP, RQ, RR, RS. Tell me the values what you are getting.
So please show the video of first sphere, A sphere.
You can see the ability of the sphere separately also. Then you have to make the resolution of force. For this sphere C, only 3 forces are there. For the sphere B and sphere A, 4 forces are there. So you have to apply the resolution of force in this sphere A and sphere B. So what values you are getting? Can anybody get the values?
Sir, RP is equal to 2.505.
RP 2.505. Okay. RQ?
Sir, let's start calculating.
I don't have the answer of this problem. So you all can refer the answer with each other. What could be the answer?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, your voice is not audible.
Now it is audible or not?
Sir, it is, but in between it is breaking.
Okay. There might be some issue, but from my side, I think I am I have keep the volume to maximum.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So you can share the answer with your each other, the RP, RQ, RR, RS, what you are getting. So this is how we have to solve the problems of sphere. So one more problem is left that will be we will be discussing in the coming lecture. How to get the solution for this problem. So you can make a note of this problem. So here, so that try it by yourself, and if you're not able to get, we will discuss it on Wednesday. Fine. So make a note of this. Yeah.
Sir, please share these notes on MS Teams.
I will share it. Don't worry. I will share this notes with you. But I will share once I will complete this chapter after that. Because if I share it earlier, then you will start copying it. That's why I will not. I don't want to share it right now. I will share it in 1 or 2 days. Okay.
And sir, have you uploaded any assignment on LMS?
The questions.
I will share the questions also, but with me the solution is also there. So that's why I don't want to share it with you.
Sir, have you uploaded any assignment on LMS?
Assignment will be uploaded after the completion of the complete module. Okay. Though the quiz has been uploaded, on the regular basis, but we will upload the assignment once this part will be completed.
So sir, do we have to submit the quiz also?
I have already told you, you have to keep on solving this quiz. Any day I can ask you to submit the quiz. Okay, keep on solving the quiz.
Please show the free-body diagram again.
For the previous question.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. So now write down the question statement of this problem and try to solve it at your home. If you find it any difficulty, I will help you. Okay. Though the FBD is shown here, but don't copy the FBD. Honestly, just write the question and this figure. Don't copy this, because if you copy this, then you will not be able to make the FBD by yourself. Okay. 2 smooth spheres, each of radius this and weight 240. Just in the horizontal channel like that. This is horizontal channel having the vertical walls. Distance between them is 90 centimeter. Find the reaction exerted on the wall and the floor of the channel at the point of contact between the spheres. Means at the point C and at the point D. These are the 2 points where these 2 spheres are in contact with the walls. So you have to simply calculate the reaction at point C and point D. Okay. So point C and point D are just the horizontal forces. So you can easily calculate it. So try to write down the question and draw the figure and try to solve it by yourself. If you find any difficulty, I will be solving this numerical in the lecture class. And on Wednesday, I will share this complete slides, okay, of this handwritten notes, so that it will be easy learning for you. 7 to 8 questions are there, and at that time I will also upload the assignment for you for this Lami's theorem, spheres, and this. Because of 50% syllabus of the first module will be completed on Wednesday, then I will be starting the friction on Thursday, probably Thursday or Friday. So by that time I will share you the assignment number 1. Okay. So now time is for the attendance.
Sir, last वाले question का answer बता दो एक बार.
Previous question, what we have done, this one.
Yes, sir, 3 sphere wala.
I don't have answers with me right now. That's why I'm saying that get the answer and match it with the other students. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I will share you all these numericals with you, but my motive is only that once I complete it in the class, then I will show it to you. Otherwise, what you will do, you will just only copy paste all the things. Okay. So I don't want this thing. So I will share it later on. So now, yeah.
Please show the question again. I was noting down and it was left.
Wait. It's okay now?
Sir, what is written at the last right hand side?
This is also this find the reaction exerted on the wall and the floor of the channel, and this is cut, this is nothing, at the point of contact between the spheres, comma at the point of contact between the spheres.
Okay, sir.
So now I will take the attendance. I am unsharing the slides. Just wait. Roll number 291.
Present, sir.
292.
Present, sir.
294. 296.
Present, sir.
297.
Present, sir.
298.
Present, sir.
299.
Present, sir.
300.
Present, sir.
01. 301. Shekhar. Shekhar is not there. 302.
Present, sir.
306.
Present, sir.
307.
Present, sir.
308.
Present, sir.
309.
Present, sir.
310.
Present, sir. 310.
311.
Present, sir.
312.
Present, sir.
313.
Present, sir.
314.
Present, sir.
316. 316. 317.
Present, sir.
319. 320.
Present, sir.
321.
Present, sir.
322.
Present, sir.
324.
Sir.
325.
Present, sir.
Then 326.
Present, sir.
327. 328.
Present, sir.
329.
Present, sir.
330.
Sir, present, sir. 330.
331.
Present, sir.
332. 333.
Present, sir. 333.
34.
Present, sir.
35.
Present, sir.
36.
Present, sir.
37.
Present, sir.
38. 39.
Present, sir.
40.
Present, sir.
41.
Present, sir.
42.
Present, sir.
43. 44. 44. 46.
Present, sir.
47.
Present, sir.
48.
Present, sir.
49.
349 present, sir.
50. 350. 351.
351 present, sir.
352. 353. 354.
Present, sir.
355. 356. And 357.
Present, sir.
Okay. So try to solve this problem, okay? So we will discuss it if you find any difficulty on Wednesday. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, students.
Thank you, sir. Sir, please tell the absentees.